Very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video in this beautiful morning after completion of my today's workout again in -2 to -3 degrees Celsius. But in this video, I will talk about some defense deals. So recently, Ministry of Defense have signed a deal with the HAL for the procurement of 8 Dornier 228 aircraft for Indian Coast Guard, and this deal is of 2312 crore. And this is the second major deal that has been signed in this financial year. The first major deal was of 67,000 crore for procurement of 97 Tejas Mark 1A aircraft. So this Dornier is a multi-mission aircraft and especially is known for the maritime surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. So this is also having a very high fuel efficiency, so that will be very important for Indian Coast Guard point of view. And it is also again manufactured by the HAL with the more and more indigenous content. If I talk about another major defense deals, so there are some international defense deals are also being signed. So the Defense Acquisition Council have given a note for 114 Rafale fighter aircrafts. So these Rafale fighter aircrafts, it's a 4.5 generation aircraft which will be very important for the Indian Air Force as to fill the gap that has been generated, because we all know that Indian Air Force is struggling with only 29 fighter squadrons these days against the sanctioned strength of 42 fighter squadrons. So we need to fill this gap. We need these fighter aircraft to fill this gap that has been generated over the last many years. And at this time when HAL is also not providing timely delivery of Tejas Mark 1A, Tejas Mark 2 aircraft, and also of the delivery of AMCF, which is the 5th generation aircraft of Indian Air Force, and that is under development and is expected to be delivered by the year 2035. So this Defense Acquisition Council have also given a nod for 6 P-8I surveillance aircraft for Indian Navy. That will also be very important for the Indian Navy point of view, as it is also a maritime surveillance and reconnaissance aircraft and is also known for the anti-submarine warfare aircraft. There were some acceptance of necessity were also being signed. The acceptance of necessity means that we need these defense equipments. So the major acceptance of necessity was given for the procurement of Scalp missile. Scalp missile is an air-to-ground missile which is known for its deep strikes and is having a range of 450 kilometers. Next one is for the HAPS satellite. HAPS is a high altitude pseudo satellite. This will be very important for providing the intelligence as well as maritime and surveillance intelligence to the Indian Armed Forces. There is also note given for the Vibhav mines. Vibhav mines is for the Indian Army that will be spreaded in the ground to prevent the movement of mechanized forces of enemy. Another acceptance of necessity was given for several equipments of the Indian Navy as well. So this is very important deal that has been signed, and this is going. We all know that AI summit is going on in India, and France President Emmanuel Macron has also been in India. So for discussion, bilateral discussion and bilateral relations, it is very important, because it is also being deal is also being signed that the 90 of these 114 Rafale fighter aircraft will be manufactured in India itself with more than 50% indigenous content. So that indigenous content will be very helpful for us to get the technological advancement in India itself. Thank you.